Let's welcome in Henry to the program. Hi, Henry.
Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Hey, good.
Share with us your medical situation.
I had got got a epidural steroid shot for my back, and I was trying to get my back right, and it was a little pain, and then in November and November and back in December I got a second round shots, and I was not doing so good, and I had to go to a primary doctor, and I went for my regular appointment, and he said I don't look so well. He sent me to the emergency room, and I ended up staying in the hospital for a month. And I got septic in my bloodstream, and I couldn't walk, and it was pretty bad. And I stayed in there for a month and a half, and then when I got out of there, I had to go straight to rehabilitation to help learn how to walk again.
Sure.
And all of that before Thanksgiving, I was doing fine and doing very well. And
Well, Henry, you're talking about a steroid injection. Let me ask you, are you a diabetic?
no, I'm not a diabetic.
Okay.
Good.
And so, yeah, normally when you're talking about a steroid injection, and Vic, you can speak on it too, this is not a surgery, right? This is not something that is a major intensive thing. So, normally when you have a surgery, you go into it with inherent risk, and that things can go wrong, right? And it could be a minor surgery, and you could pass away, and people go, that's automatically medical malpractice, and it's just not. Anytime you're having a surgery, things can go terribly wrong, and the doctor may have done nothing wrong. But when it's a steroid injection, that's usually not the case. There's a ton of questions in what you're telling me, but a lot of that's going to be in the medical records and what happened and all that. And a lot of it you're not going to know, because there's no way for you to know. You're unconscious. You're in the hospital for a month, right? So you're not going to know all those things, but the medical records are going to dictate that. But generally, when you have a steroid injection, that should not be something that makes you go to the hospital. It should not be something that you're in the hospital for a month. So generally, something went wrong, and that means whether they gave you the wrong medicine, if they did the wrong type of injection in the wrong areas, but something went wrong, and that's something that you got to get the medical records and have an attorney look at it, because I think in this type of situation, you potentially have a significant case.
Wow, okay.